Get set to revolutionize your kitchen with 10 essential Amazon gadgets that help you save time, cook in an eco-friendly way, and add smart convenience to your countertop. This is part 2 of our kitchen gadget series. After watching this video, be sure to check out part 1 link below in the description. Dishwasher safe reusable silicone storage bag. These bags are containers you can use over and over. They're safe for the environment and don't have bisphenol. You can store all kinds of food in them. They seal tight to keep food fresh. You can put them in the microwave, freezer, and dishwasher. They work great for storing leftovers and prepping meals. Using these bags cuts down on throwaway plastic waste. They save you money in the long run because you can use them many times. They're easy to clean and take care of. At about $16, they're a practical addition to any kitchen. 3-in-1 vegetable spiralizer. The vegetable spiralizer helps you cook healthy meals. This kitchen tool comes with 3 sharp blades you can swap out. You can make noodles, ribbons, and slices from different veggies. This makes it great for keto and low-carb diets. The design fits in your hand and doesn't slip. You'll find it easy to use and clean. At $9, it's cheap and doesn't take up much space. It's perfect to help you cook healthy foods. What's the next gadget that turns plain veggies into amazing dishes without much work? Can you figure it out? Nanlong Multifunction Countertop Cooker. The Nanlong Multifunction Countertop Cooker combines grilling, steaming, baking, and hot pot features into one compact appliance. This space-saving device uses interchangeable stainless steel parts and easy-to-use touch controls. It's ideal for small city kitchens offering many cooking options in a stylish package. The cooker helps you prepare meals and takes up little counter space. You can expect to pay around $180 for this appliance. Electric jar opener. The electric jar opener is a battery-powered gadget that opens jars of different sizes at the push of a button. It has an automatic grip, a comfortable handle, and a non-slip surface to make it easy to use. This tool is great for older folks or anyone who doesn't have much hand strength. It cuts down on strain, grabs jars, and doesn't take up much space when you store it. You can get one for about $20. Quick question: what's the kitchen job you can't stand? Drop an emoji in the comments. Fullstar Multifunction Vegetable Chopper. The vegetable chopper makes cooking easier with its 6 swappable stainless steel blades. This handy tool can dice, slice, julienne, and chop veggies and fruits. It has safety locking lids and a big see-through container to help with meal prep and cleanup. You can get it for about $27. It helps you save time, make less mess, and takes up little space when stored. This chopper is great for busy families and people who want to eat healthy. Silicone Egg Bites Mold. The egg bites consist of tough, food-grade silicone that provides a non-stick surface, resists heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and can go in the dishwasher, which makes cleaning a breeze. These molds work great to prepare meals and control portions, offering many uses from egg bites to mini muffins and beyond, with a price tag of $18. Have you given homemade egg bites a shot? Hit that like button if you give it a try. KitchenAid Box Grater with detachable storage container. The KitchenAid box has 4 stainless steel blades, fine, medium, coarse, and slicing that let you grate cheese, veggies, chocolate, and zest citrus in different ways. It comes with a removable storage container to catch what you grate, keeping things clean. The grater is built to last, has a soft non-slip foot to keep it steady, can go in the dishwasher, and costs between $25 to $30. This makes it a handy and useful tool for any kitchen. Heated butter knife. The heated butter knife has a USB rechargeable stainless steel blade that heats up to soften butter to spread, paired with a handle designed for comfort. Perfect for breakfast and baking preparation. It provides up to 2 hours of power, a modern streamlined look, and rechargeable use, with a price range of $22 to $35. Leave a butter emoji in the comments if you're keen to enhance your toast routine. Folding salad spinner. The folding salad spinner has an influence on efficient washing and drying of greens. This kitchen tool folds flat to save space and has a lightweight handle that collapses. Users find it easy to store and use. It helps to prepare salads and fresh produce. The spinner saves counter space and dries greens fast and well. Many see it as a useful kitchen item that costs about $15. Metal dumpling mold. The metal dumpling mold is made of strong aluminum alloy. It can shape 37 dumplings or ravioli at once. The mold spreads heat well and resists rust, so it lasts a long time. People use it to make dumplings, ravioli, and empanadas at home. This tool saves time and makes sure all folds look the same. It's also easy to clean. You can buy it for around $20. Thanks for checking out these 10 Amazon kitchen gadgets with us. Don't forget to tell us your top picks in the comments and help us expand by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, sharing, and subscribing.